Triplex combo with Plexus. Hey, this is Diane Kleinsalzer, and I received my Triplex combo. So what the Triplex combo is with Plexus, the company, it's a 3-product combo. And the first one is Slim. So you get 30 days of pink, the pink drink, the pink juice, the yummy stuff. Then you get the ProBio 5. And you also get the Bio Cleanse. So what this does is it's going to clean your gut. It's going to clean your insides to get you healthy. Get rid of all the toxins, get rid of all the stuff that you need to get rid of to feel healthy, to feel vibrant, to lose weight, to get back to how you're really supposed to be. Because if you cleanse and you have a clean gut, then you feel amazing. Just go and find some Plexus testimonies, just Google it, and you'll see what all the results have been for so many people. Also, what I got in this order was I also ordered the Active. So I work out in the morning, so I wanted to have some kind of drink in the morning before I go to gym, so that I can have something in my system so that I can do the workout and I don't feel drained. So this is Diane Kleinsalzer, and this is my Triplex combo, and I'm gonna get started. In fact, I opened it already and I got started today. I had my first bio cleanse last night, so I'm following the schedule that my Diamond upline had posted in her group. So I'm following through with that, and I'm following that schedule to do the Triplex combo. Okay, if you would like any information, check out my link at the bottom for my Facebook. Come check me out. Also, I will have a link for the products. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.